All right, so this is my new listing in Bethany Ridge Estates. This part of Bethany Ridge is known as Bethany Manor. It's a short walk to an elementary school if you have small children, kindergarten through sixth grade, so really nice there. Walking in the front door here, got the formal living. Here's the formal dining. These folks have really taken great care of this house. And this is a really unique home. There's not another one like it in the neighborhood. It's got a large eat-in kitchen, nice island, granite, big workspace here, nice little breakfast nook. Here's the living area. I want to show you some unique things about this. We'll go upstairs later. But the owners built this. They did the hickory wood floor here up the stairway themselves. Another unique thing, the owners built this cabinet. The owner's a woodworker. This is one of the two bathrooms downstairs. And this bedroom is being used as a study. Got a nice view. I'm gonna go into the master now. Got a gas log in the fireplace, so you don't have to buy wood and clean all those ashes up. So got a view of the backyard. Got the flagstone patio out there. Good sized bedroom. They put granite here in the bathroom. Little linen cupboard there. Nice shower with handicap rods there, grab bars. Walk-in closet. Tell you what, I'm gonna go outside. I usually don't do this first. But this has a 3-car garage. I'm gonna take you into the 3-car garage. And here's the huge laundry area downstairs. You can see they have a freezer in there. This gentleman's a woodworker, so you'll see a lot of equipment. But this cabinet over here, that's gonna stay. And he has a heater on the other side of the room that's gonna stay behind. Let's walk out to the backyard. I'm gonna go out this way. That way you can see it's very unique. Flagstone patio. Got the crow's nest stairs going up to the balcony that leads upstairs. Got an above ground pool, which is kind of unique. Here's part of the yard. And I want to show you this 3-car carport. It's high end. It's insulated, styrofoam in the roof, so it keeps it really cool in the summer. Now let's go upstairs. One thing that makes this property unique, sorry guys, I'm not doing so well here with the camera, is upstairs is another full kitchen and the laundry area. You won't find not another house in the neighborhood anywhere close to this. Let's go up these stairs. You hear a little creaking, I need to lose some weight. All right. So here's the living area. Really good size over there is the attic. And they have a sewing area here. Here's the balcony I talked about. And it's made of the faux wood, so it's low maintenance. And here is the upstairs kitchen. Full kitchen. There's a stacked washer and dryer. Sellers are willing to sell those things. Here's the third The three baths. Here are the two upstairs bedrooms. So if you know anybody looking in Allen, wants a place that they have kids where they can walk to school, really a great location, great house. You won't find another one like it. Hope you enjoyed the tour.